Hello, welcome to The New Sound. Today we'll explore reverb and how it relates to the music we make. Reverb, or reverberation, is an effect that adds echo and ambience to a sound. It's what you hear when a sound reflects off surfaces and fills a room, creating that sense of space. In music production, reverb is used to bring a sense of depth and dimension to audio tracks. Different environments create different reverb characteristics. For instance, a cathedral reverb sound produces a long, lush reverb, while a small room reverb sound offers a shorter, more subtle effect. Let's listen to some examples. You can hear how the track gains depth and presence. In our DAW, we can adjust various parameters on our reverbs, like decay time, which controls how long the reverb lasts, the size, which simulates the size of the space, and the wet-dry mix, which determines how much of the effect is blended with the original sound. While reverb adds depth, it's important not to overdo it. Too much reverb can make your mix sound muddy and unclear, and it's all about finding that right balance. When using reverb in music production, it's essential to maintain a balance that complements the genre and the mood of your track. Make sure to experiment with different settings to discover what works best for your unique sound. Too little reverb can leave your track feeling flat, while too much can lead to a muddy mix. The key is to adjust the reverb settings thoughtfully, considering both the type of sound you're working with and the specific effect you're trying to create. Thanks for watching. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.